how to unprivate your YouTube Shorts via YouTube Studio Web. So you can log into studio.youtube.com either using your browser or your desktop, that is your computer. And once you are in, you're going to sign in at the right here to your channel. So once you've signed in, this is my channel. Next thing we'll do is tap on content on the left panel here, and then make sure that this is selected. Make sure that Shorts is selected at the top. And once the Shorts is selected, once Shorts is selected, next you're going to do is go to the video that is private, tap on visibility right under it. You see under visibility and change it to public, and then tap on publish. Now the video is public. It is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful.